Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build a classic 1960s style television that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego Brick tutorial. Let's start with a 1x6 plate for the base of the TV. Take a pair of 1x2 round modified plates. We're going to place these right on the bottom side of the 1x6 plate, and let's crown off the other two studs with a 1x6 flat tile. Make sure everything's lined up. Let's secure all this with a pair of 1x2 plates. Take a 1x1 by 1 2/3 brick with two studs. Place this on the left hand side, and on the right hand side take a 1x2 by 1 2/3 brick with four studs. Set that right there. Take a 1x1 plate, set down a 1x1 angular headlight brick right on top, and we're going to face off the front of the headlight brick with a 1x1 plate. This is going to act as a CRT cup, and we're going to place a 1x1 plate on top. Now let's take our CRT cup, and we're going to place this right in between the bricks with studs where the 1x1 plate is facing outward. Let's proceed on with the sides with a pair of 1x2 palisade bricks and a set of 1x2 plates. And let's lock the back portion together with a 1x6 flat tile. For our front bezel, let's start with a 2x4 plate. Let's place a pair of 1x1/4 flat tiles on the left hand side and a 1x2 flat tile in the middle, and two more 1x1/4 round flat tiles. This is going to be our television screen, a pearl silver stud for a knob, and a 1x1 flat tile for a speaker grill. Now let's slip in our bezel assembly right in this opening, and let's lock that together with a 1x6 flat tile and smooth everything off. You can leave the television like this, or we can flip it over and insert some legs. So I take four horns. It sounds weird. We're going to slip these right inside these little tubes. So these are going to be a bit of a challenge to get in there. Just work those in pretty quick. It's going to act as some nice legs for the television. A lot of older style TVs did have these type of legs. Get this last one on there. It's best to pre-position these just to make sure everything's lined up. You may have to adjust as needed. And there is our classic 1960s television.